If you really want to improve your English fluency, you must stop saying "I will start tomorrow" and start using English in your daily life today, even if you're just a beginner, because the more you wait, the more difficult it becomes to build the habit. English is not something you memorize, it's something you live. Start by thinking in English. Yes, it may sound strange, but instead of thinking "main poni pi raha hoon," start saying in your mind, "I am drinking water." This small change will rewire your brain. Next, speak out loud as much as you can, even to yourself. Walk around your house and describe things. "This is my chair. I am opening the door. Now I will eat." Speaking to yourself improves fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. Don't worry about mistakes, worry about staying silent. To improve your listening, spend 15 to 20 minutes every day listening to simple English videos, children's cartoons, English news for learners, or podcasts. Listen with subtitles first, then without. When you don't understand, pause and repeat. Speaking and listening go hand in hand. When you hear something clearly, repeat it aloud in the same tone and speed. This is called shadowing, and it's one of the fastest ways to improve pronunciation. Reading should become a daily habit. Start with English comics, children's stories, or news headlines. Read out loud slowly, then faster. This builds vocabulary, fluency, and natural sentence flow. Writing is the final step, and many learners ignore it, but it's very powerful. Keep a notebook or a digital journal where you write about your day in English. Even 5 lines are enough. Today I woke up at 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth. I had tea. I studied English. Over time, increase your sentence length and add details. When you use all 4 skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing, together, you develop balance and speed. But remember, consistency matters more than quantity. Studying for 30 minutes every day is better than 3 hours once a week. Don't try to learn everything at once. Instead, pick one small topic each day. For example, greetings, introducing yourself, talking about your hobbies, or describing your family. Practice that topic in all 4 ways. Listen to it, speak about it, read something related, and write a few lines. You can also make flashcards or use free apps like Anki or Quizlet to review vocabulary. Learn 5 to 10 useful words or phrases daily instead of memorizing a list of 100 random words. Learn phrases like "How are you?" "I don't understand," "Can you repeat that?" or "What time is it?" These are daily use phrases and help you build real-life fluency. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Change your phone language to English. Set your browser homepage to an English news website. Follow English learning pages on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Even if you don't understand 100%, your brain is getting used to the language. If you don't have a partner to practice with, record yourself speaking, then listen and correct your mistakes. You can also join online language exchange communities like HelloTalk, Speaky, or Tandem where you can talk to real people. Be careful of negative thoughts. Many learners say, "I'm too old, my English is bad," or "people will laugh at me." Let me tell you, every fluent English speaker you see today was once a beginner like you. They just didn't quit. You must build your confidence. Start by saying these affirmations to yourself every day. "I am learning English and I am improving every day. It's okay to make mistakes. I enjoy learning English, and I will speak fluently soon." The more positive you are, the faster you will learn. Set realistic goals. For example, in 1 week I will be able to introduce myself in English, or in 1 month I will watch a full movie with English subtitles. Celebrate your progress. Learning English is not about knowing every word, it's about communicating your message clearly. Fluency is not speed, fluency is comfort. If you can speak slowly and clearly and people understand you, then you are fluent. Don't compare yourself with others, compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. Did you learn something new? Did you try to speak more? That's success. To stay on track, create a learning wall in your room with sticky notes of new words, goals, and motivational quotes. Look at it daily. Make English a part of your identity. Instead of saying, I want to learn English, say, I am an English speaker in progress. Talk to yourself in English while cooking, cleaning, or walking. Think in English while traveling or waiting in a queue. Make your environment your classroom. Every object in your home can teach you a word: door, window, table, fan, remote, charger. Label them if you like. This way, English becomes part of your world, not a subject to study. Lastly, don't quit. Some days will be tough. Some days you will feel like you're not improving. But trust the process. Even native speakers make mistakes. You are not trying to be perfect, you are trying to be understood. And with practice, patience, and positivity, you will speak English fluently, naturally, and confidently. So take a deep breath, smile, and repeat after me. I can learn English. I will learn English. I am learning English.